Hi, hello, 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝙖 here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. In this video particular, we will together design this elegant slide in just PowerPoint. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, on this slide there is a photo, and the main objects are these rectangles that are rotated. So I will show you what I mean. Right here, this is the first rectangle, the second, etc, etc. Alright, so let's get to it. So create a new slide right here, and as you can see now we have these two text boxes, so we want to delete them. So right click, go to the layout and choose layout blank. Alright, so I think we will start with this photo. So just Ctrl C to duplicate this, to copy this photo, and now Ctrl V to paste this photo right in the same position. So I used this photo from pexels.com because there you can find really valuable photos that you can use in your private but also in commercial projects, and it's totally free, so I really recommend it. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, this is just a photo, and the photo cropped to just a rectangle. So I was thinking how to make it a little bit more creative. So I decided to add this kind of negative space lines, and I think it looks much better. So as you can see, the color of our background is just a pure white. So I inserted here two rectangles that are rotated, and of course color fill is just pure white, so the color of our background. So I think it looks really cool. So just let's copy it and let's paste it right here. Yeah, as you can see, I think it looks much better and yeah, more appealing. Alright, so also here I decided to insert some of those elements. So yeah, let's do so. As you can see, this is a rectangle that color is this light brown, but as you can see right below it, we can perceive this photo, right? That's because transparency of this rectangle is set to 20%. If it would be as default as 0%, as you can see on preview, we cannot see anything under this rectangle. But if we select this rectangle and adjust our transparency, as you can see, we can see there our photo more or less. So yeah, 20% is cool. And also here I added this white rectangle. Alright, so now maybe let's get into typography. As you can see, I wanted this slide to be something like more elegant slide, so I used serif font. As you can see, it's Playfair display, and I think it really matches, this font really matches to this style of this slide. So yeah, and of course I picked color for this title as a brown. So yeah, so let's do so. And of course the font is Playfair display and it's bold, as you can see right here. Font size is set to 40, and of course, like I said before, a color is this brown color. Alright, so right here we can see our body text. So I just inserted lorem ipsum. If you don't know anything about lorem ipsum, I recommend you to check out my earlier video about it. All right, and color of this body text is just gray. I will show you which one, this one. And by the way, I really recommend to use instead of just pure black, I really recommend to use gray colors, especially in your body texts. And here I inserted just a short rectangle that kind of divides the space between title and our body text. Alright, so as you can see, it looks really cool, but right here on the middle of our slide, there's a lot of space that we can fill with something. So I think it will be a really good choice to add here these rectangles. So as you can see, this rectangle at the bottom is a different color than this one, and this rectangle that is above this this rectangle, transparency is also changed. So I will show you what I mean. Yeah, so as you can see, now we have these two rectangles. This one is at the bottom and transparency is set to 0%. And this rectangle is also a different color, but transparency is set to 20. Because if I set this transparency to 0, as you can see here, this is a dark brown and here a light brown. But if I set transparency to 20%, as you can see, these two colors kind of blend together, right? So it looks really cool. And by the way, if you would like also to find out more about transparency in PowerPoint, I also recommend you to check out my earlier videos. Alright, so let's compare our original slide with the slide that we created. Actually I forgot about this rectangle. So yeah, this is just a rectangle, just so Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. As you can see, it looks absolutely the same. That's because I was just copying them and pasting. But I think this slide looks really cool. So thank you guys, really thank you guys for watching this video, this slide design. Please share this video and subscribe our channel, because I'm recording 3 videos per week and it takes me a lot of time. I make a lot of effort. Now there are only about 70 subscribers. I really want to share these videos, to share my knowledge with a lot of people. So yeah, if you have some friend that is interested in PowerPoint, slide design, and generally design, modern design, please tell him or her about our channel. So have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.